What's your exit strategy for such long swings? How do you decide this? Okay, that's easy. Like, let's take an example. Roku. So I bought it here on the opening range highs. It gapped up on earnings, had huge volume, all the things I'm looking for. You know, long range break, had like a 6-7 month range break, and surprisingly good earnings, great growth, etc. All the things I look for. So what I usually do is when the first, like I put the stop on the lows of the day. On the day I buy, the stop is on the lows of the day, and then it goes up 10, 15, 20%. I sell some, maybe 15, 20%, a quarter of my position, and then I trail it. Then I just start trailing it. Like the first close below this purple line, that's the 10-day moving average. I'll sell maybe, say, a quarter or a third of what I still have left. The shares I have left after the ones I sold into strength. And then I sell another third or quarter when the first close below the 20-day moving average, which is the yellow line. And then the next level is the red line, which is the 50-day, etc., etc. So that's how I scale out. So that's what I use these moving averages for. They're my stops, pretty much. So I wait to until end of day, and I sell it. And then I also have a level. Let's just take an example, right? Then I also have a level where I sell no matter what. So let's say I bought it here, now we're here. So I sold some into strength, or let's say take this day here. This day here, it closed below the 10-day and below the 20-day. But now imagine if this candle, so if it closes like this, I'll sell like, according to my sell rules, a quarter or a third or whatever it depends. It kind of depends. But if it would go like there's some bad news or something, and it would hit my stop here, or wherever it may be, maybe it's here, or it would probably be here. I usually use the previous swing's lows as my stop. Then I would get out at 79.01. Even though it turns up intraday and closes above this yellow line, but I would have to stop, get stopped out, because I can't. Sometimes stocks they can go down 20-50% in a day. Even mid and large cap names can do that sometimes. So if it hits my last resort stop, it hits my last resort stop. I just sell it. If that was helpful, those are my sell rules. Sell some into strength, and I trail the rest.